Hello, good day. This is Teacher Maria at your service. Namaste, Kalimera, Privyet, Konnichiwa. So we're going to have another storytelling and it's all going to be about animals. The title of our story is Mo and the Baby Bird by Marjorie Newman, illustrated by Patrick Benson. Mo found a baby bird. It had fallen out of its nest. Mo waited and waited, but no big bird came to help it. So Mo took the baby bird home. He made a nest for it. "Look," he said to his mother. "It's very, very hard to take care of a baby bird," she said. "They usually die," said his dad. "My bird won't die," said Mo. His friends helped him find food for the baby. His mother showed him how to feed it. Mo fed it whenever it chirped, and the bird didn't die. It grew. "It's my pet bird," said Mo. "It's not a pet bird, it's a wild bird," said his mother. The bird fluttered its wings. "Your bird is trying to fly," said his mother. "No," cried Mo, "it mustn't fly." Mo found some wood and some nails. He borrowed his dad's toolbox. "What are you making?" asked his dad. "I'm making a cage for my pet bird," said Mo. "It's not a pet bird. It's a wild bird," said his dad. "You should let it fly." "No!" cried Mo. He put his bird into its new cage. The bird was sad. Mo's mother was sad too. But Mo kept his bird because he loved it. Then Granddad came to visit. He looked at Mo's pet bird. Presently, Granddad said, "Let's go for a walk, little Mo." Granddad took Mo to the top of a high hill. Mo looked down at the trees far below. He felt the wild wind trying to lift him. "Whee! I'm flying!" cried Mo. "Nearly," said Granddad. When Mo got home, he looked at his bird. It was sitting very still in its cage in Mo's dark underground room. "Birds are meant to fly," said Mo. He opened the cage door and he let his bird fly away because he loved it. Then he cried. The next day, Mo went into the forest. He saw his bird flying, soaring free, and Mo was glad. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye.